Welcome back to Mountainside Life, guys. I decided I'm going to film a video now. It's actually the day after yesterday, and I'm spying on the hideout with a drone this time. Alright, so I'm currently flying over what I believe is the location. I believe it's right down here. Yeah, that looks like the tent there. Okay, so, let's back it up. Now, let's try to get a good look. See if anyone's hiding out, you know? That looks like the bed area there, right? Yeah, that looks like the bed. Okay, so I don't want to, I don't know if someone's there, so I don't want to get, too close or anything. I really wanted to, look more into this because of how strange it is, I'm not seeing anyone right this minute, I guess. Let's try... Oh, let's zoom this out a bit so I can... Oh, I felt like I was about to hit a tree, even though I'm not. Let's come down a bit. Oh, we're getting some lag. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think it's just the controller wind. Okay, might have to go up a bit then. Okay, I don't know if that showed on the video, that little lag spike. Alright, so we can't go down, otherwise we lose connection. Good to know. Okay, yeah, so that's 100% got to be the bed, right? And see, there's the tent. So, okay, right, that would be the chair. And I'm not seeing any activity. To be totally honest with you, there's nothing right this second. I don't know if anyone there is hiding, or it was definitely strange. I'll give it that. It's definitely weird. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna readjust the camera here. Let's go. Oh, look at the water. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. How... Okay, we're max altitude, apparently. That's a beautiful... Wow, that's stunning. That's stunning. Let's take it... just Alright, I'm gawking in the sights. Alright, okay, that's enough of that. Alright, let's look down again. I don't know if someone is there. If someone is there, they'll probably hear the drone. It is not exactly subtle. So it's probably a good idea to be careful. See, why am I looking into my phone more as if that's going to help? I am looking... I don't know. I'm not seeing a person from here. Not. See, because that is the tent. It's down. Not as noticeable as it used to be, clearly. It doesn't seem like there's any activity there right now. Doesn't seem like anyone's hiding out.
Max altitude reached.
Oh. Alright, noted. Max altitude. Keep doing that. Oh, look at the waves. Look at the ocean. I know I keep saying that, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so incredible. I'm heading back up the mountain. I don't know why, but after seeing it yesterday, giving it a day to think about things, my curiosity has peaked. There's also these weird chains at the top, things like that. Stuff I couldn't really investigate because of the whale watch team up there. So yeah, I want to know more. I'm nearing the top. I don't know if I'm going to go back to the tent. I don't know, but I definitely want to investigate, see if there's any suspicious activities going around. So yeah, this will be interesting. I don't know what's going to happen. We'll see. There's a cool tree. I do have to say that the water today is beautiful.
Is there something else up there? Oh, you should be able to see something.
There's a lot of people at the lookout. I think I'm gonna try go in the bush. There's people coming, I gotta go. Yo. Turkey. Alright. I think I just got in without being seen. There is a lot of people out there. The whale research team is still there, so I can't really examine anything at the top at the lookout. There's just too many people to check any of the weirdest stuff out, so I'm back in the bush. It looks like I'm going to the tent. I won't lie, I'm kind of scared because I couldn't see anyone on the drone, but it's been a while since then, maybe half hour, so I'm gonna take this slow and easy. I don't feel like dying today or whatever's going on. Oh no. Okay, worst case scenario, there is a big group of people to look out. I run there if, I don't know, if something goes weird. It's the worst case scenario, I guess. Taking it slow. Trying to listen for any noises. Probably not going to speak from this point onwards. I don't want to attract any attention of anyone who could be here. So, yeah, it's great. Worst part is, if there is someone here, they could be watching me and I wouldn't even know it. Tents through there. I hear movement. I think it's a turkey though, but who knows. There's movement at the tent. I don't know if it's a turkey or a person. I can't see. Okay, I think it's a turkey. Alright. If there's a turkey there mustn't be a person there, right? I don't know. Let's take it easy. Turkey. I see no one. I hope. There's a lot of turkeys. I can't remember if all that was flat like that yesterday though. I'd say someone's been here since. I don't remember them, but I don't know. Yeah, the clothes are gone. Someone has been here since, and that's all sorts of creepy. That's weird. Why is it all flat? Stuff on the tree's still there. And I can't tell if anything else has been touched, but the clothes are gone, and something's definitely happened there. So I don't know what to make of that. We used to have a cup like in the ground here. I don't know where. Oh, it's over there. It's there. It's a cup. Nice. I swear there used to be a screwdriver here. Oh yeah. Nah, somebody's been here, man. Look at this. What is going on? There's something in the tree there. No, I don't like this. We're going. Somebody's doing messed up stuff here. We're going. Oh god, I'm stuck in a vine. Going before I get that screwdriver in my head or in my back. I don't know. Nah, somebody's been here since I was last here yesterday, and that just means I need to leave. That means this place is currently in active use. That's probably like territory markers. I don't know if they're only coming here during the night or if it's like they're out busy right now and I've just missed them again. I don't know. I'm leaving before I get a screwdriver in the back of me when I'm not looking. Yeah, that would probably be smart. And I hope I don't come across anyone as I'm trying to leave. Whew. Now there's movement back there, we're going. There's big movement too. I don't trust it. Nah, that's all sorts of wrong. There is something, whoever's staying there is messed up, like. I don't like that. People. It's very busy, I don't know how to leave. Honestly, I feel like I just need to get out of here at this point. I don't even know if this person's here maybe watching me or... I don't know. I don't like it though. I don't. I think I'm just gonna have to go. I've got geckos in there. Not snakes like I previously thought. Alright, as I was walking out, there was a girl just walking around the corner, but she was looking down at her phone, so I think I just got away with it, but that's creepy and messed up. I don't know, whoever's staying there, there's something wrong with them. Something wrong. Anyways, I'm gonna end this one here. This is it. I will return in around 3 months though, to see if anything changes. I know I said that last time, I do mean it this time. I had to try to see a little bit more what was going on, and we've figured it out. There is someone actively living there as we speak, so this is someone's home right now, and it doesn't look like they're the good kind of person. See you guys in 3 months.
Kan udah laundry kemarin.
Besok mau ke gereja. Nyawa lu semua di sini semua ya.